The World Health Organization has declared the ongoing Mpox outbreak in Africa a public health emergency of international concern. This designation highlights the significant global threat posed by the disease and calls for an urgent international response. Mpox, also known as monkeypox, was first identified in captive monkeys in 1958 and later in humans in 1970. Historically, it was considered a rare infection, mainly affecting remote regions of Central and West Africa. For decades, it was largely ignored by the global health community, perceived as a local issue with limited international relevance. The situation changed dramatically in 2022, when a widespread outbreak occurred in developed countries, leading to a surge in research and funding. This increase in scientific activity has produced more studies on Mpox in the past year than in the previous 60 years combined. Despite these advancements, the outbreak in Africa has worsened, with Central African countries experiencing significant case increases. Calls from African researchers for better investment in diagnostics, vaccines, and treatments have not been fully addressed, exacerbating the situation. The WHO's PHEIC designation reflects the urgency of the situation, emphasizing that Mpox poses a serious risk to global health and requires coordinated international action. The outbreak underscores the interconnected nature of global health issues and the need for equitable distribution of resources. While vaccines and treatments are available in many developed countries, they remain scarce in much of Africa, highlighting the disparities that must be addressed to effectively combat the disease. In summary, the Mpox outbreak's declaration as a global health emergency serves as a critical reminder of the need for global solidarity and resource allocation to manage infectious diseases and protect worldwide health.